Hello students, welcome back in SCAN classes. Today we are solved question number 3 of exercise 1E, chapter 1, rational number. Question number 3 is verify whether the given statement is true or false. इसमें हमें चेक करना है कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल है या नहीं. Let's start. So first part is 5/9 divided by 1/3 divided by 5/2 equal 5/9 divided by 1/3 divided by 5/2. First we solve left hand side. 5/9 divided by 1/3 divided by 5/2. First we solve this bracket. So 5/9 multiply 1/3 का रेसिप्रोकल 3 divided by 5/2. So 3 3 जा 9 equal 5/3 divided by 5/2. So 5/3 multiply reciprocal of 5/2 is 2/5. So 5 से 5 कैंसिल हो जाएगा equal 2/3. Now we solve right hand side. 5/9 divided by 1/3 divided by 5/2 equal 5/9 divided by 1/3 multiply 5/2 का रेसिप्रोकल 2/5 equal 5/9 multiply divided by 1 into 2 2 and 3 into 5 15. Now 5/9 multiply reciprocal of 2/15 is 15/2. 3 3 जा 9 and 3 5 जा 15. So 5 5 जा 25 and 3 2 जा 6. Here we get 2/3 and here we get 25/6. Means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So statement is false. Now second part is -16 divided by 6/5 divided by -9/10 equal -16 divided by 6/5 divided by -9/10. First we solve left hand side. -16 divided by 6/5 divided by -9/10. First we solve this bracket. So -16 multiply reciprocal of 6/5 is 5/6 divided by -9/10. So 2 3 जा 6 and 2 8 जा 16. So -8 into 5 -40/3 divided by -9/10 equal -40/3 multiply reciprocal of -9/10 is 10/9 equal -40 into 10 is -400/3 into -9 is माइनस 27, माइनस 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 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो 400/27. नाउ वी सॉल्व राइट हैंड साइड. -16 divided by 6/5 divided by -9/10. So -16 divided by 6/5 multiply reciprocal of -9/10 is 10/-9 equal -16. So 5 2 ja 10 and 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9. So divided by 2 2 ja 4/-3. Now -16 multiply reciprocal of 4/-3 is -3/4. So 4 4 ja 16. Now minus minus plus equal 4 3 ja 12. So here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So statement is false. Last part is -3/5 divided by -12/35 divided by 1/14 equal -3/5 divided by -12/35 divided by 1/14. First we solve left hand side. -3/5 divided by -12/35 divided by 1/14. Now -3/5 multiply 35/-12 and divided by 1/14. So 5 7 ja 35 and 3 4 ja 12 equals 7/4 divided by 1/14. Now 7/4 multiply by 14. 1/14 का रेसिप्रोकल 14. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 7 ja 14 equal 7 7 ja 49/2. Now we solve right hand side. -3/5 divided by -12/35 divided by 1/14. So -3/5 divided by -12/35 multiply by reciprocal of 1/14 is 14. Now 7 2 ja 14 and 7 5 ja 35 equal -3/5 divided by -12 into 2 -24/5. Now -3/5 multiply reciprocal of -24/5 is 5/-24. So 3 8 ja 24 and 5 into 1 5. So equal 1/8. Here we get 49/2 and here we get 1/8. So statement is false. Statement is false. Thanks for watching this video.